After first logging into your TourSoft site, you'll be in the back end, otherwise known as the dashboard. To go to the front end and use the Elementor website builder visual editor, first hover over your site title and then click on Visit Site. You'll be on the front page of your site, the home page, and at the top you'll see Edit with Elementor. Click on this to open the Elementor visual editor. All front-end editing in TourSoft is done through this Elementor editor. When it first opens, you'll see that there is a preview pane in the center, and there is an editor and widget pane on the left-hand side. This is the Elementor editor pane. To select an area that you'd like to edit, just hover the mouse, and there are three main sections. This blue section here is just referred to as sections. They are essentially the rows in the website, and it includes everything within this blue box. Within that are columns, and they're represented by this gray box. And then within the columns are individual widgets, represented by another blue box. So to click on each section, for the large section you click at the top. For the individual columns you click on the left to edit them. And for widgets you click to the right to edit them. Let's look at editing this particular widget. This is a header, and it has our Adventure Tours demo title in it. We can click on the title and description drop-down, and we can edit the title within the text editor here. If we decide that we don't need this description, we can simply take it out, or we can put in whatever other text we would like. This is a button, and the button section is at the bottom of the editor. And here we can change the button text and change the button style, standard dark or standard light. If we want to change the background image at the top of this page, we click on Edit Section, go to Style, and here we can see that there's currently this background image selected. You can click on the image to choose a different image from the existing media library or to upload a new file. Let's try changing that image for another one already in the media library. And we need to choose an image that's large enough to display in that entire section. So let's look for one that's at least 1,200 pixels wide. What's the current one there? Let's see. Here's one that's fairly wide. So we'll click on Insert Media to insert this picture, as the background. Now, we can see that this image is not very clear. Sometimes it helps, this image is not very good match with the text on this site. We can't read the text very clearly. So it helps to put a background overlay. We can use a color, just a standard black, and then increase the opacity so that that text becomes more readable, like this. Now, after using the editor, it's very important to click Update to save your changes.